Hi Mishi, binabati kita sa unang taon sa iyong kaarawan. Sana lumaki kang malusog at palaging maganda, syempre. Mana si Mami.
Mami at Mama Lala.
Mama Lala. Sana lumaki kang maging matalino, syempre.
Kagaya
May pinagmanahan.
ni Mami at Daddy.
Okay, wish you all the best, Missy. We love you.
We feel this one should be yours to one. Chloe, the delight you bring lights up the world and makes it sing. So for you we all came together to present this name, Chloe. This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive.
Happy birthday, Mishi. This year has been so fast na bilis mong lumaki, but I hope as you grow older may kasal. As you grow older, you will learn how to be more loving, na sweet ka, and to have a forgiving heart all the time. And sana maging healthy ka, and sana when you grow up, mas magiging mapagmahal ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Sana healthy ka lagi, hindi ka magkakasakit, and know that Mommy and Daddy loves you so much. Know that Mommy and Daddy love you so much na we will do everything for you as long as maging healthy ka lang and maging mapagmahal. And I hope God will guide you as you grow older, anak ko. I love you, Baningning. Happy birthday, Mishi! Happy birthday, Mishi! You brought so much joy already, and we are praying na you will grow up healthy and God-fearing. Andito lang kami pag kailangan mo ng malalapitan paglaki mo. We love you! Happy birthday, Mishi! Sa wakas, natupad na din ang pangarap namin ni Papa na magkaroon ng baby girl. Wala kaming anak na babae, pero ngayon, God's blessing, nandito na si Misha, Shikaina, our little princess.
Happy birthday. Sana laging healthy. Tapos, always remember na love ka namin ni Mami. We will do everything for you. Tapos, sana lumaki kang mabait, with respect, full of respect and love. Tapos, sana hindi ka magbago, stay sweet. At huwag masyadong ma-arts, ha? At saka maldiks. We love you so much, anak ko.
And I vow to you this day.
And a pleasant afternoon to each and every one of you. We welcome you to Purug 5. Inabaan Sur, Rosario, La Union, and to such a lovely and wonderful afternoon we're celebrating here. Palakpakan naman dyan, everyone! Yes, I love the energy of the people of Inabaan Sur. So right at this point of time, what a great responsibility in making this wonderful day happen. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin as they enter the party area. Dito Tito Mac, Kyle Moore, and Tita Mika. Palakpakan everyone!
Word into their heart.
Di pala kayo nag-text, ma'am. Nandun pala sila. Alright, we also have here Mommy Marilyn Fiernes and Daddy Bonifacio Fiernes!
You have granted
Ladies and
such a
gentlemen, are you ready to see the entrance of our birthday celebrant? Yes, we are all ready. So right this point of time, ladies and gentlemen, the reason behind the celebration that we have right this afternoon, the entrance of the birthday celebrant, baby Misha Shikaina or Mishy Fiernes, escorted by Mommy Mia Fiernes and Daddy Mac Fiernes. Palakpakan everyone! Palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen! Yes! Alright, the loving Viernes family that we have here. Palakpakan naman dyan, everyone! Mas malakas na palakpak! Yay!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Mishi!
Happy first birthday!
And Mishi, always good girl to your mommy and daddy. And sa regalo ko ngayon sa'yo, siguro after 5 to 10 years, mapapanood mo to. Singilin mo na lang yung mommy at daddy mo, ha?
Kung mapapanood mo to, Mishi, tandaan mo, nandito kami ni tito mo para lagi kang bantayan, gabayan. Diba? Kung need mo ng advice. And gusto lang namin para sa'yo is magstay yung pagiging happy kid mo. Yun lang yung gusto namin.
And of course,
And
wala mo na
God
pong
bless.
aalis dahil marami pa po tayong
Happy birthday!
Happy
surprise.
birthday, Mishi!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Una-una po, maraming salamat po sa pag-attend niyo po dito po sa first birthday po ni Mishi. I didn't expect that the party will be like this actually. Kasi po, we're just aiming for a very simple one. But you made the party very special dahil po sa pag-attend po ninyo and sa pag-participate po ninyo sa games. Kasi kahit naman po maganda yung party natin, kung hindi po kayo nagpa-participate, ano po, maraming salamat po. And suppliers po, thank you po kila Tita Alice. You never failed to, make our day super special. From our wedding up until sa birthday po ng baby namin. And hopefully po, meron pa rin po tayong next time po na party like this. And then, sa mga photographer po namin and videographer po na sobrang, patient sa pagkuha ng mga clips po natin. Thank you everyone! I hope you enjoyed the night. And I hope lahat po ay may maiuuwi. Kung wala mang physical thing, at least you will bring your memories home. Ayan po. Salamat po!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, birthday, Mishi. Come on, sing. Happy birthday, Mishi. Hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mishi. Sing it louder. Happy birthday. Hey, hey. Let's go! Happy birthday, happy birthday to you! One more time, Izzy! Alright, lahat ng kids pila. Lucky! Happy birthday!
Clouds start pouring down, light a fire they can't put out. Carve your name into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores. Don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid I heard him say, when you get older your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life